You guys already know that when it comes to Sephora favorite kits, I tend to buy every single one. Now, they just dropped a whole new bunch of Sephora favorites, but I only picked up two that I really wanted. The rest are like skincare focused and hair care focused, and I honestly did not need those ones. If anything, I'm going to save the money that I would have purchased on those for the Sephora holiday favorites, which you know are just right around the corner. But for today's video, we're gonna be diving into the Sephora Nude Energy Lip Kit right here and the Gleamy Dreamy makeup set right here. So grab a snack, bestie, grab a drink, and we're gonna go and dive right on in and let you guys know which one's actually worth your money. Alrighty, so we're gonna start off with the Gleamy Dreamy kit right here. So it says right here that this kit of dreams is packed full of gleamy, skin-loving products for an effortless makeup look. Featuring 3 full-size products, 2 minis, and 4 deluxe must-haves, this collection of surreal formula and flusher color shades will elevate your skin and makeup to all new fantasies. Now, I got this set last year as well, and I have to say, I really do love the makeup favorite sets. Now, they do, like I said, they offer some skincare ones, some hair care ones, and some fragrance ones, and I typically do tend to buy all the skincare and hair care as well, but given the fact that it is July, I know within the next month or two, probably by September, they will be rolling out with all of the Sephora holiday favorite sets, and I have to get my hands on those ones because those ones are typically full of products of all the best makeup at Sephora and skincare Sephora and hair care at Sephora, and I love getting my hands on those ones. I'm saving my money for that. But in the meantime, I still picked up this right here. So let's go ahead and dive into the Gleamy Dreamy kit right here. Now this retails for $50. It has $148 value. There's gonna be 3 full-size items in here, and typically the full-size items tend to equal the price of the bag, if not more. So we're gonna go ahead and dive in. I'll let you guys know what the value of this bag is, just with the full sizes, because I don't want to do the conversion for like the deluxe mini size and stuff like that. But we'll dive into this so I can tell you guys what at least the 3 full-size products equal. Okay, so up first we do have a little mini of the Urban Decay. This is gonna be the all-nighter natural finish setting spray. This thing is so tiny. I mean, like, it's a little itty bitty, but honestly, I feel like this is a great travel size. Like if you want to go, if you're on the go and you're traveling, or you're on an airplane, this could be a really good setting spray to bring with you. That way you're not taking too much space up in your suitcase, your luggage, or traveling bag. I feel like this could be a really good size for that. Next, we do have a little mini size of the Longwear Cream Shadow Stick from Bobbi Brown. I could not tell you the last time I tried a makeup product from Bobbi Brown. It has been a very, very long time. I want to see how this color looks. Okay, it's really pretty. Definitely a very neutral shade with just a little bit of shine to it. I feel like this is perfect for those who just want to have an easy on-the-go eyeshadow look. And for me, I feel like you're still getting a pretty decent amount of product. I mean, look how much is in that. Look how much is in that. I feel like you get a pretty decent amount of this. At least for me, I feel like with all the makeup I have, this can definitely last me quite some time. Up next, we do a little mini size of the Tarte. This is going to be the Tarte Lit Tubing Mascara. Now, this is definitely very mini, so I feel like this isn't going to last very long. But one of the reasons why I love the Sephora favorite kits is because they're a great way to try the brand without breaking the bank to do so, and I absolutely love that. So I think I tried this one time. I really wasn't the biggest fan of this product, but we'll definitely have to try it again. Next, we do have a LYS. This is going to be a highlighting stick right here. Again, I feel like this is going to be their mini size, but look how much product you're actually getting. Okay, maybe not as much as I thought you would get, but I mean, this still could last you just a bit. Like, I definitely still think this could last you just a bit right here. So that's actually really exciting. I couldn't tell you the last time I think I tried one of their highlighters. Up next, we do have a full size of the Haus Labs. This is going to be the Bio Radiant Glassy Highlighter Balm right here. Now, if anyone knows me, they know that I have tried this last year, and I, for the life of me, cannot figure out how to get this thing to work, okay? This is supposed to be like a glassy balm, and it just goes on wet. You see that? It's a high shine, but it just goes on wet, and then it's like sticky on the face. How do you get this thing to work? I cannot figure it out for the life of me. So I ended up not liking this product and passing it along, but I just don't know how to get this to work. But if anyone loves this, I just don't know how to get this to work. But I do love the fact that it is a full-size product in here, so that's something you're looking forward to. You're definitely gonna have that in there. Next, there is a full size of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Flush right here. Again, I have only tried the very mini size of this because I tried it in like another Sephora favorite kit. And I do like this. This is fully skincare. This is a full skincare product. So if you just want to have like a makeup no makeup day, this is gonna be a really great product for you to use. I feel like that for me, this product would last me so long because it's like skincare infused blush, and I'm only going to need a little bit of this when I want to do like just a little flush to the cheek. This would be a great product to do for that. Next, we do have Ilia. This is going to be the Banquet Lip Sketch Hydrating Lip Crayon right here. Again, this goes a long way. I've received this Sephora last year in a Sephora favorite kit. I really enjoyed it, and it's lasted me quite some time. So I feel like even though these are the mini sizes or the deluxe travel sizes, these are really decent sizes. So definitely a fantastic way to try out the brand. Next, we do have another travel size of the Milk Makeup. This is the Hydrating Grip Primer right here. They always had this in the Sephora favorite kits because they're a favorite for a reason. This is a fantastic gripping primer, and I've definitely gone through mine. I feel like this can last me a long time because I've gone through, so I've had so many of these at this point. I've always passed them along because I can only have so much of this primer, but it is a really fantastic product, and this would definitely last me quite some time. And then finally, we have a full size of The Ordinary. This is going to be the hyaluronic acid 2% product. This is going to be the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5 product right here. This is going to be the full size. I've never actually tried The Ordinary. I think I tried one of their face washes one time, and that might have been it, but I've not really tried much from the brand, so I'm actually really looking forward to this. So we do have 3 full-size products in here. So like I said, we do have 3 full-size products, 2 minis, and 4 deluxe sizes. Let me add up the full sizes. Okay, so adding up just the 3 full-size products alone without counting the deluxe sizes, these 3 right here retail for $77.50. So I already have my value's worth just in these products, just in these 3 products alone, not including everything else. This is why I love getting the Sephora favorite kits because they're always so worth it to me. So this one was actually a lot of fun. I really enjoyed this one. There's some products in here I have tried, but there's some products in here that I have not tried that I'm definitely looking forward to. So with that said, now we're gonna dive into my personal favorite. I love the Sephora lip kits. They're just so good. And it's gonna be the Nude Energy Lip Kit right here. Now it says right here, there's no need to pout with this gorgeous lip kit. From 4 full-size essentials to 3 deluxe lip favorites, this kit leaves its mark with unmatched hydration and shine. The curated assortment of nude balms, lip liners, and glosses will be sure to give your lips the extra bit of love for a plump and lush look this fall. Now, this does retail for $42, and it has a $131 value with 4 full-size products. 4 full-size products. That's fantastic. So let's go ahead and dive into this one. Alrighty, so up first, we are going to have a full size of the Rare Beauty lip liner. I have the shade called Wise, and I think this used to actually be one of my favorite lip liners from Rare Beauty when I used to shop their line. I love this shade right here. This is a very long-lasting shade. It was so gorgeous, and I just really enjoyed this formula. It is a little bit creamy, so it does tend to budge if I put like on a gloss or I eat anything. It does tend to move just a little bit, but other than that, it does typically hold on to my lips. So I'm super excited to have my replacement of this because I never ended up buying it, but now we have the shade called Wise in this lip kit, and I'm pretty sure all the lip kits are going to be the same, just in case anyone asks. I've had people ask that before. All the lip kits should be the same. All right, so up next, we do have I think this is the travel size of the Patrick Major Moisture Smoothing Lip Balm in Pink Salted Caramel. You know, I've actually never tried this before from Patrick. I've never tried their lip balms. Wow. That definitely smells like caramel. It kind of smells like caramel coffee a little bit. Is that crazy? That's really wild. That smells really good. But definitely has like a little bit of like a coffee undernote to it. That's the vibe I'm getting. I've never tried this product before, so for me, this is super exciting. I definitely am excited to give this a go. Alrighty, up next, I am not shocked to see this in here because it's in here every single time, but we have the Tarte Maracuja Lip Plump right here. This is going to be in the shade called Honeysuckle. I'm not surprised to see this because they pretty much put this in here every single time. Like every single Sephora favorite kit, if there's ever a lip kit or like a lip product, you will always find the Tarte Maracuja lip plumpers in here, even in the Sephora advent calendars. I know this is like one of their best sellers, so I get why they put it in here, but it'd be nice to see a little bit of a change. But this still is a really beautiful product. I actually had the full size of this. I think it's really, really good. So I'm actually excited to pass this along, but it's a really beautiful, beautiful lip product. Up next, we have another full size of the Fenty Beauty. This is going to be the Traced Out lip pencil in the shade called I Wouldn't. I actually don't have this shade, so I'm curious to see what it looks like. Ooh, this is like a chocolate brown. That is really pretty. That is such a pretty, pretty lip liner. Now, I really enjoyed the Fenty lip liners when they first came out. Now, I will say they're not my favorite, but I still really enjoyed them. They pair really beautifully with my favorite lip product in the world, which is going to be the Fenty Beauty to Lip Kiss Balm. This is my favorite. They pair really beautifully together. I just find that over time, this does tend to wear off the lips. If I eat or drink anything, it does tend to smudge and go down right here, which I really don't like, but it's still a really good lip liner as a whole. I think it's really pretty. So I'm excited to see the full size of that in here. And it's a color that I don't have. Up next, we have a full size of the Makeup by Mario. This is going to be the Super Shine Lip Gloss right here in the shade called Bear. This is, again, a product that I have not purchased myself. I have not tried the Makeup by Mario lip glosses. I think I was going to one time, but then for some reason I did not. So I'm really glad to see this in here because this is probably like retails for half the bag's price anyway, if I'm gonna be honest. It doesn't really have too much of a smell, but it is a really pretty like neutral gloss right here. So I'm really excited to try this out. And I feel like this is a really pretty color that's gonna pair really beautifully with the lip liners that are also in this bag. Up next, we have a little mini size of the Prada right here. This is going to be the Prada hydrating lip balm with a jojoba oil and banana yellow. I have not tried this product before, nor did I even know they had this. Oh, that it actually smells really good and fruity. It's just gonna be a hydrating lip balm, so I'm gonna have to try this out. This is how much product you do get. Pretty decent amount, I feel like, right? This has 1.3 grams in it, so pretty decent amount. At least for me, I can make this definitely last. But that smells really good, really good. And then finally, for another full-size product, we actually have a Summer Fridays. This is going to be the Summer Fridays lip oil in the shade Warm Beige. Now, I actually have another set of Summer Fridays lip oil in my collection. It's somewhere over here. But I have to say, I do enjoy the lip oils, but one issue I've noticed with it, actually two issues, is one, this does cause my lips to bleed. So this does bleed down my face just a little bit. Just a little bit. It does kind of smudge right down here. If I eat or drink anything, you'll see it budge. And I notice that a lot of my products my other lip oil does tend to leak. It tends to leak, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but the formula is really beautiful and it's a really beautiful lip color as a whole. So I am so excited. So let me add up just the 4 full-size products and tell you guys what just the 4 full-size products actually go out to. So I added up all 4 of the full-size lip products between the 2 lip glosses and the 2 lip liners. The 4 products equal up to $92. That is how much this would cost you if you guys bought these items individually at Sephora. I paid $42. I paid $42 and I got 7 products in here, 4 which are full size. That is absolutely a fantastic steal. Like absolutely so fantastic. It's why I love getting the Sephora favorite kits. They're so, so good. So add the 2. I mean, obviously my personal favorite is going to be the Sephora favorite right here. This is Sephora lip kit. These ones are always going to be worth it, but I also really enjoy the Gleamy Dreamy as well. This is definitely worth the value that you're paying for. So for me, if you guys want to try these products, these are a fantastic way to go. And these do tend to sell out, so I will have them linked down below in case you guys want to get your hands on them, but also check your store because sometimes they have them in person. But definitely stay tuned because I'm pretty sure in like the end of August, early September, they will be releasing their holiday favorite kits, and those ones are always just like top tiers. So let me know what you guys think about these products down below. Let me know what you guys think about these kits down below. Which one's your personal favorite? But that, my most beautiful besties, is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post 3 to 4 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, Are for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, besties, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.